Hello students, in the previous video we have learned about what are B family verbs or B forms verbs and where to use this B form verbs and how many B forms verbs we learned. Yes, we learned 5 verbs belongs to the B family and they are am, is, are, was, were. Okay, so in this video we are going to do the one exercise, general exercise on B form verbs or B family verbs only. Okay. Before that, let me give you the short recap on B family or B form verbs. Okay. So, B family verbs or B form verbs are am, is, are, was, were. These five verbs are the B family verbs or B form verbs. Okay. In which am, is, are the present time verb which is used to talk about the present time event, and was, were are the past time verbs which is used to talk about the verbs which talk about the action which has already completed. Okay, so remember that am, is, are the present time verb and was, were are the past time verb. Okay, and where do we need to use am? Yes, to the subject I if we are talking about the present time. When we are talking about the present time and the subject is the singular noun like he, she, it or any singular noun, there we need to use is. Okay, for all the plural noun we need to use are for the present time event. Okay, remember that am can be used only to the subject I, and is can be used to the singular noun, and are can be used to the plural noun. In bracket I am going to write like for are this will be plural and is will be singular, and this can be only used to I only. Okay. What about was? Yes, was can be used to the subject singular, and for the plural noun in the past time we use were only. Okay. Also to the subject I we use was only. Okay children. So do you remember where to use these verbs in a sentence? Subject, if the subject is the I and it's talk about the present, we use am. If the subject is I and it's talk about the past time, there we use was. And if the subject is he, she, it or singular noun, we use is for the present time. In the same time, if it is talks about the past time, we use was. Okay. And if the subject is we, you, they or the plural noun, for the present we use are. Suppose if they are talking about past time event, we use were only. Okay. So let's do the exercise. Let's read out what we need to do. Filling the blanks with suitable B form verbs. With the suitable B form verbs. So these are the B form verbs. Now we need to check which verb will be suitable for this dashes. Okay, these blanks. Okay, and remember that the main verbs always comes with the ing when we are using this B form verb. Okay, so let's read out the first question. Mom dash driving her car now. Mom dash driving her car now. Here the word now means what children? Yes, it's talk about the present time, and now we have guessed that it's talk about the present time, and now we need to look into the subject. Okay, now the subject is mom. Mom means talk about the single person only. For the single person in the present time, which verb we need to use? Yes, we need to use is. Then the answer will be is. Mom is driving her car now. You can check the main verb, that is drive is the main verb here. When we are using the B form, it should comes with the ing only. So my mom is driving her car now is the correct answer. Now let's do the second. They dash playing last night. They dash playing last night. So here last night means what children? Okay, they playing means last night only they played. Okay, not now. So it means they are talking about the past time. Now we have guessed that it's talk about the past time. For the past time we need to use was for the singular and we need to use were for the plural. Now we will check the subject. Now the subject is they. Can you tell me this they? This is singular or the plural? They means singular or plural? Yes, it's talk about the plural only. So for the past time plural we need to use were. So the answer will be were. W-E-R-E, were. They were playing last night. Okay. Let's Sheila and Meena dash singing song now. Here now represent the present time only. Am I right? Now means we are talking about the present time, and then for the present we need to use am or is or are only. Okay. Now let's check out the subject. Here the subject is Sheila and also the Meena. Then we are talking about two girls. Two girls means it's a plural. So for the present plural subject we need to use are only. So the correct answer will be are. A-R-E are. Sheila and Meena are singing song now. Okay. Clear, children? Okay. Let's do the fourth one. My uncle dash going to temple right now. My uncle dash going to temple right now. Here right now means now only. The action is going to be happen. The action is happening now. Means it's present time only. Then what we need to check now? After finding out the time of an action, we need to check the subject. My uncle means only our uncle. So for the present time, only one person means it's a singular. Which verb we need to use? Is only. So the answer will be is. My uncle is going to temple right now is the correct answer. Let's do the fifth one. Renu and Raju dash baking a cake yesterday. Renu and Raju dash baking a cake yesterday. Yesterday means the day has been already completed, right? So yesterday only they baking the cake, not now. Means it's talk about the past time. Okay. After finding the time of an action, what we need to find? Yes, we need to find the subject, whether it is a plural or singular. For the past time, now Renu and Raju are the plural noun. For the past time, for the plural noun, we need to use where only. So the answer is where. Renu and Raju were baking a cake yesterday. Okay. Now let's do the last one. I dash reading a story book an hour ago. I dash reading a story book an hour ago. It means 1 hour ago. Before only I was reading the book, not now. It means I am talking about the past time, and the subject is I. It means it is a singular only. So for the past time, when the subject is singular, we need to use was. So I was reading a story book an hour ago. Okay, children. So let's read out the sentence again with the answer. Mom is driving her car now. It means in Tamil, amma வந்து இப்போ car drive பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. Okay. In second sentence, they were playing last night. அவங்க நேற்று இரவு வந்து அவங்க விளையாடிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. We are talking about the past time. Okay. Sheila and Meena are singing song now. Sheila and Meena song இப்போ பாடிட்டு இருக்காங்க. So it's a present time. And what about the fourth one? My uncle is going to temple right now. Right now means it's talk about the present time. என்னுடைய uncle, என்னுடைய மாமா வந்து இப்போ டெம்பிளுக்கு போயிட்டு இருக்காங்க. Okay. Fifth one, Renu and Raju were baking a cake yesterday. Renu Raju நேத்திக்கு வந்து கேக் வந்து ஒன்னு பேக் பண்ணாங்க, செஞ்சாங்க. Okay. Sixth one, I was reading a story book an hour ago. ஒரு மணி நேரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி நான் வந்து story book படிச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன். It means the past time only. So children, I hope you are clear with this be form verb. Where to we need to use am, is, are, or was, were in a sentence, and now you have learnt about the present time as well as the past time. So try to do the mini exercise, make sentence by using the am, is, are, or was, were by yourself. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, children.